Hi everyone and welcome to my place. A silver heart could only mean one thing. It's nearly Valentine's. But even if it isn't Valentine's and you want something just because, or you want something that's a little soft and gentle, let me share how to put some beautiful pink roses, some soft blush, I love this peony, and some white fluffy peonies together into a beautiful design that looks elegant and will be there forever in your home. To begin, here is the silver vase that I'm going to use, thus the silver heart, and I had to go hunting to find that too, I might just add, because the hearts that I get every year I've kept, but I don't really remember where I keep all the boxes of hearts. But anyway, I found it. Now into here, what I've done is I've got two pieces of, look at this gorgeous ivy, isn't that just lovely? When I was creating this, I wanted something that looked like spring growth. And you know when you go to get it out of the garden and it is that spring new growth and it gets the droop on, that's why I created this. Now, it's a little bit too short, the stem, so what I've done is I've just used a bamboo stick and I've used two cable ties to tie it into place. Just plonk that into your vase, and don't worry at this stage about fiddling, because we can have a good fiddle when we're finished to make sure that it's in, that we like the way that it's dripping down. I also wanted to use the silver because I thought that it just lifted in with that ivy a little bit more. So we've got those. I've also got the silver vase here, and in using the silver vase, I wanted to bring another sort of grey tonal valued colour or of foliage into it. So I'm going to use this, I love this dusty millet, it's one of my most favourite plants. So I've got three pieces of that, so I'm just going to put one piece into there, a piece over to there, and do remember to take the little tags off them. So when you're ever stuck and not knowing, if you're ever doing something around and you've only got even numbers, just remember to place them with equal distance between each of the placements so that you're sort of forming this lovely triangle which is perfectly balanced. To that, I'm now going to add some of the, look at that, hold on, I've got it running out of room here. I'm going to add 5, you could use 4 if you wanted, or 3 would do. I really love this little peony, it's so soft and gentle. It's got the tiniest little bits of pink on the outside, which is going to be beautiful with the roses. So with these, one can go into there, one can go over to the other side. This has already got that little bend on because I've been a bit rough with it. That can go to there, and the other can go around to the back. And some of these are a little bit higher than others in their placement, but they're balanced in their placement. And let's just not forget that nothing in nature is perfect, so don't knock yourselves around. Now I'm going to leave that one, I'm going to put that into the middle. With the bigger, blousier ones, I'm going to step, they're a little bit higher, so I'm just going to step those in to the center. And as I said, exactly the same way as how we did the other 3 pieces of, oh look at that, isn't that lovely, of dusty miller. They can just go into there. We're keeping that, reserving that for in a minute. The next to go in is, look at this, I love that, look at those, the beautiful little cupped roses. And the other reason why I'm doing this is because it's been a really rough, aggressive year on all of us, and I thought a little bit of soft gentleness would be lovely to bring into the home or into the heart. Now I was going to just plonk those all in one hit, but I won't do that. So these can just go, stepping them up into the center of my design, and I might not need all of these. That can go into there, and then, oh look at that. And I love the grace and elegance that you can only really get with something that droops down like the ivy. So, and that also helps to give you your movement. Do I want that one? Yes, I do it. Why not just put that into there? And with the last one, I'm going to bring that up and into there so that we've got that transition of the white in through to the center. And if you wanted to add something else that had just a little bit more detail, just a couple of little gum nuts, you might have some lavender, just whatever you've got can just be plonked in and down and into there. Oh, it's looking lovely. And with our little heart, I'm just going to bring that heart in and just have that falling down the sides. How's that? I love it. See you again another day. Bye for now.